Now we are going to see the another subdivision, that is study the shaded region and fill in the blanks. So look at the circle. Now I cut into equal halves, that is 1 by 2. Okay, I shaded only one portion. So study the shaded region and fill in the blanks. You must study the shaded regions and fill in the blanks. Study the shaded regions. Study the shaded regions and fill in the blanks. You must read, or you must learn, or you must study the shaded portion or shaded regions. Then you have to find out the fill in the blanks. Okay, so this is a circle. I cut into equal halves. I shaded only one portion, that is called as 1 by 2. So it is a whole circle. I cut into equal halves, that means 2 parts. Then I have to shade only one portion, that is what I have written 1 by 2. So here the same circle, so it is a whole circle. I cut into equal parts. I cut into 4 equal parts. Then I shaded only 2 portions. So what you are going to write in that box, what I am going to write, I have to write 2. That is 2 by 4. I have to write 2 by 4. That means 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. It is an equivalent fraction. How could you say it is an equivalent fraction? 1 by 2. So I am going to multiply by 2. Okay, I am going to multiply by 2 this fraction. So 1 by 2. 1 is a numerator and 2 is a denominator. So 1 is going to multiply by 2 as well as 2. That means numerators multiply by 2 means if the numerators multiply by 2, the denominator also multiply by 2. If the denominators multiply by 2, the numerators also multiply by the same number. Multiply by 2. That is the rule. So 1 by 2 multiply by 2. So I have taken 2 as a what? 2 as a number. 2 as a important number. Okay, I have taken 2 as a equal. If you want to get 2 by 4, I have to multiply by 2. Multiply by 2 this particular fraction. So 1 by 2 is going to multiply by 2. You can get 1 into 2. You can get 2, and 2 into 2 you can get 4. So in this box you have to write what? 2. That is what I have written already. So 2 by 4 is a right answer. That means in this box the right answer is 2. So I have written 2 already. Again I want to I just explained it here. So 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. So both are equivalent fraction, and also I represent in the diagram also. The next sum is, so it is a triangle. So what is this? It is a whole. It is a whole thing. It is a triangle. So I cut into 3 equal parts. Then I shaded only 2 portions. That is what 2 by 3. See, look at this parts 1, 2, 3. That is the equal parts of that is the equal parts. That is the equal parts. Then I shaded only how many parts? 2 parts. So 2 by 3. That is the fraction I have written here. Here, see at the same triangle, but I cut into 6 equal parts. 1, 2. This is 1. This is 2, and this is 3. This is 4, and this is 5 and 6. So altogether 6 equal parts. Then after that I shaded how many portion? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 portion I shaded. So I have to write what is the number in the box. That means I have to, the total part I have to write, that means 6. Okay, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 I have to write it here. So it is also equivalent fraction. How could you say it is the equivalent fraction? That means 2 by 3 is a fraction. So I am going to multiply by 2 again. So I have taken 2 as a what? 2 is a what? 2 is an important number. Because why should it is an important number? If I multiply by 2 only, I can get 4 by 6. Otherwise you couldn't I couldn't show it off. Otherwise I couldn't prove it off the question what is given, 4 by 6. Okay, so that is 2 into 2 I can get 4, and 3 into 2 I can get 6. So in this box I have written what? Already I have written 6. So 6 is the right answer for this question. So 2 by 3 is a fraction. So I am going to multiply by 2. If I multiply by 2 only, I can get what? 4 by 6. So 2 is a numerator and 3 is a denominator. If the denominator is multiplied by 2, you can get 6. So if the denominator is multiplied by 2, the numerator is also multiplied by 2. Otherwise you can say if the numerator is multiplied by 2, the denominator is also multiplied by 2, because it is a rule. So 2 by 3 into 2. Okay, 2 by 3 is, I am going to multiply by 2. So 2 is a very important number. It is called as a what? It is a multiple. Multiple means you know that That is what multiple, because I am using the multiplication table of 2 only. That is what. So 2 by 3 into 2. So I am going to multiply by 2 by the numerator. I am going to multiply by 2 the numerator as well as the denominator. So 2 by 3 into 2. So 2 into 2 you can get 4. 3 into 2 you can get 6. So in this box you have to write 6 only. So that is the number I have written already. So and also I represent in the diagram also. So here 3 parts I shaded only 2 parts. Here 6 parts I shaded only 4 parts. In this diagram what I have the whole part is 2. So 2 equal parts, but I shaded only one part. It is a circle, it is a whole thing. Here also the same circle, but I cut into 4 equal parts, but I shaded only 2 portion, but the whole part is 4. So that means these both sums are equal in fraction, as well as I am representing in the diagram also.